Remove the rivets. Pry up the center of the rivet first. This will unlock it. Next, pry up the base of the fastener.
Turn the wheel to give yourself better access to the lining.
Okay, so now that we're in the wheel well, what we're going to do is we're going to look kind of where the bumper attaches, and there's a vertical facing fastener here.
Pry up the center of the rivet first. This will unlock it. Next, pry up the base of the fastener.
Turn the wheel to give yourself better access to the lining.
Pry up the center of the rivet first. This will unlock it. Next, pry up the base of the fastener.
So next step, now that we have the fasteners out on the top and the wheel well, we're going to kind of come along the front, and there's a few fasteners kind of near the wheel well and then along the front of the car that we're going to remove so that we can get this bumper off.
Remove the rivets. Pry up the center of the rivet first. This will unlock it. Next, pry up the base of the fastener.
Now we're going to come to the side, either side first here, and we're just going to pull this section off and then kind of just pull back here. It is kind of caught in the headlight housing there, so just be aware of that. Be careful, you don't want the bumper like falling on the ground, so we're just going to kind of leave it sit there and go do the same thing on the other side here. Okay, now we're going to come over and do the same thing on this side. Just kind of wiggle and pull back, and you can see the bumper is pretty loose now, but it's still sitting there, and then we're just going to kind of come to the middle here and pull the whole bumper off and detach some of the cables that are connected to the bumper. So we have kind of the sides disconnected, everything's pretty loose. We can kind of just come to the middle now and just kind of pull back. Now, if you have fog lights, they are going to be attached here. So what I would do is just come down here, and you can either just remove the bulb or disconnect the bulb. I'm just going to disconnect the bulbs and just kind of leave the bulbs in here. There's another one over here.
Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it.
Pull the bumper away from the vehicle.
Okay, so we're going to bring this back in. We're going to reattach the two fog lights first here.
Reconnect the bulb assembly.
So we're going to lift this up into place, and what I would do is kind of lift it up and kind of get it set kind of here. Be careful, make sure it doesn't fall, and then we're going to come over to the side and kind of push these side parts back in and get it all ready to get patched back up. All right, so then we're just going to kind of bring this up into place, get kind of the middle in there, and we're just going to kind of push the side in. Just kind of give it a little tap. Okay, so we're going to put the fastener back in. The first thing you want to do, if the liner was not like naturally tucked back here, you do want to tuck this liner kind of behind the lip there.
Align the base of the rivet first. Next, push down on the center to lock it in place.
Turn the wheel to give yourself better access to the lining.
Replace the wheel well lining. Tuck the lining behind the lip of the bumper. Align the base of the rivet first. Next, push down on the center to lock it in place. Replace the rivets. Align the base of the rivet first. Next, push down on the center to lock it in place. Replace the rivets. Align the base of the rivet first. Next, push down on the center to lock it in place.